In the annals of history, the story of empires often begins with a singular vision, a fierce leader who dares to dream beyond the horizon, seeking glory and power through conquest. These leaders, driven by ambition and the allure of greatness, rallied their armies, igniting passions and fears as they marched towards distant lands, ready to carve out their legacies. As each empire expanded, they encountered not just enemies, but new cultures and peoples, weaving together a rich and complex fabric of society that would shape their future. Through triumphs and tribulations, these conquerors established not only dominion, but also a legacy that would endure through generations, transforming lands and influencing the course of history. The rise and fall of each empire echo through time, marked by battles fought and decisions made, forging the paths of civilization and leaving behind lessons yet to be learned. As some empires faded into obscurity, others thrived, their stories intertwined with the legacies of those who came before, reminding us that power is both fleeting and transformative.